So, naghahanap ba kayo ng papasyalan na may ganitong klaseng view? Merong sunset view. Ayun, napakaganda, di ba? So, dito lang yan sa Over the Top. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ganda niyan. Oh, yan, nakikita nyo, di ba? Napakaganda ng sunset dyan kapag hapon. Daming tumatambay. Siyempre, hindi lang naman sunset yung pinunta ng mga yan. Bukod sa view, siyempre yung mga masasarap nilang pagkain. So, bukod dyan, siyempre, inaantay natin yan kapag hapon. Kung makita yung ganda ng view dyan. At siyempre, kapag gabi, city lights naman yung inaabangan natin dyan. So, maganda rin kasi dyan kapag gabi. Nakita nyo yung ganda ng lugar, especially yan, yung city lights na yan. Tsaka yung Laguna de Bay. Yan. Oh, di ba? Ganda ng city lights. So, bukod sa city lights, syempre, may pabanda rin sila dyan. You know, over the top yan. May live band sila lagi yan. Tsaka bukod sa live band, meron din silang pa-movie bago mag-start yung live band. Nagpapa-movie sila. So, yung time na pumunta kami dyan, syempre yung Deadpool Wolverine yung pinapanood namin. So, yan. Ito naman, food trip naman tayo. Napakasarap ng mga pagkain na in-order namin. Marami kasing pagpipili ang pagkain dyan. Yan, may liempo. Tsaka yung masarap din yung Goto Batangas. Yun yung masarap yan. Sisig, masarap din yan. Pero ito yung Goto Batangas talaga. Ito yung sa pinaka-nagustuhan ko. Napakasarap talaga na yan. Sarap ng balikan yan. Siyempre hindi mawawala yung mga iyaw-iyaw natin dyan. Diba? Maraming klaseng iyaw-iyaw meron sila dyan. Kaya ano pang hinihintay? Punta na kayo. At ma-experience yung ganda ng lugar. At food trip, of course.
So 100 bayad dito sa gate ng East Ridge Gate. Wala nang iwan na ID. Okay na? Okay, thank you. Alright.
Paano pumunta dito sa Over the Top? So, waste nyo lang yung Over the Top. So, pwede kayong dumaan dito sa Antipolo. Yan. Kapag Antipolo, pwede kayo sa East Ridge. Bayad lang kayo ng 100. So, kapag nakita nyo itong arko na to, yan. Pasok lang kayo dyan. So, dire-diretso na yan pa-right. Pa-right kayo para mag-parking. So, dyan yung parking nila. Siyempre, may bayad din yung parking dyan. Parang 50 pesos yata yung parking dyan. Tsaka, para hindi kayo matraffic, dito lang kayo dumaan sa East Ridge. Dito yan, sa Antipolo. Tapos, East Ridge. Yan, nandyan kasi yung, yung Coffee Rush, Art Sector, Escalera. So, dito yan sa kabilang side naman tong Over the Top. Binangonan na kasi to eh. So, yun, para hindi kayo matraffic. Kasi kapag dito sa Antipolo, wala masyadong traffic. Kapag dito na sa baba, bandang baba na, pag dito sa bandang Binangonan na, yan, Angono, medyo matraffic na yan dyan. Kaya bumalik na lang kami ulit para hindi sayang yung kinahit natin 100. O, diba? Napaganda ng view. Enjoy!
Diba sa public tour na sa lasing ka talaga dito.
I love our music. It gets you. Oh, right? I'm sorry, I'm excited to be here. It's been a while. You know, for a long time, I wasn't sure I'd ever be back. Disney bought Fox, there's a whole boring rights issue, blah, 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 blah. But then, it turned out they love it for me. For one guy who shouldn't even have his own movie, or starts a franchise. Marvel's so stupid. Look, we know the title of this thing, so I know what you're wondering. How are we going to do this without dishonoring Logan's memory? And I'll tell you how. We're not. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Wolverine is not dead. Sure, it made for a perfect ending and a very sad story, but that's not how regenerative healing factors work. You think I want to be out here in beautiful downtown North Dakota digging up the one and only Wolverine? No, thank you. But the fate of my entire world is at stake. He may not be living his best life, but he sure as hell ain't dead.
Ay, nagkano?
So kapag nakita nyo yung arko na yan, yung arko na yan, yan na yun. Pagkapasok nyo yan, pagkapasok nyo, dito na mismo yan. Bali sa kabilang side to. Sa kabila kasi yung ano, yung Coffee Rush, Escalera, at saka yung art sector. So dito to sa kabilang side, yan. So ito yung over the top, yan. So 50 pesos sa sasakyan, 30 pesos sa mga motor. Yan ang parkingan nila. Yan, kita nyo naman, lawak. Park anywhere. Pwede naman kahit saan. So yan yung view dito. So buti inabutan natin yung sunset. So ngayon city lights naman. Yan. So pakita ko sa inyo yung city lights. So si Wolverine and Deadpool yung ano movie. Yan. May pa movie sila, mamaya tingnan natin. Yan. So ito yung parkingan nila, yan. 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 So city lights na. Yan. Yan, city lights. So ito yung parkingan. So yan na, city lights na. So dito tayo nag-parking. Nag-park tayo dito, yan o. So dapat motor yung gagamitin ko kanina. Kaso sabi ko, kasi galing ako Marilahe kanina. So isip ko diretso dito, sabi ko mamaya hapon na lang kasi nga may sunset at saka city lights. So kasi yung makita yung city lights dito. So yan, kasama natin si Lexi, iniwan natin si Atake. So ito yung city lights, yun, kita yun naman. Yan. City lights. So showing yung ano, Deadpool Wolverine.
I know I was caught masturbating on Walking Star Tower back in the street. I'm sorry. What was that? Oh, I'm sorry. That's when you get those toy ball cans, right? And then you just look down and you just brace yourself and you ravage the midsection. I get it. Okay. Just, what exactly brings you here today? Wow, okay. I care. And I'm sure I care. And I want to use that for something important. I don't want to matter. To show my girl that I matter. You know, I feel like I'm wasting the good stuff here. Is the man not going to be joining us? The man? Yeah. I should say this. As far as you're concerned right now, I'm the man. The man is me. I'm so sorry. That was cruel, and I lash out when I'm nervous. Won't happen again. Let's cut to the chase, please. You just said moments ago that you wanted to be an Avenger because you needed to be. Yes, sir. But the Avengers don't do the job because you do the job because people need now. Do you see the distinction? Yes, sir. Please.
Out. Comment ka na lang, boss. Road Venture PH.
For the top, solid.